Yep.
Yeah?
I'm thinking
So-
Wow, that's so cool.
Oh, because we go.
I'm gonna get a closer look.
Hey guys, so today we are walking a part of a coastal path from Aberystwyth to Borth.
And we saw a seagull!
We actually drove to Borth and we left the car in there, and then we took a train to Aberystwyth, and we're gonna walk the whole length from Aberystwyth to Borth, starting with the Constitution Hill over there. The day is very nice. We are having ice cream to start with. We decided to do the walk in the afternoon. Hopefully there'll be less people on the path, and we're just gonna enjoy the day.
Seagull!
That's a baby seagull, I think. Well, I mean, this is the place for the cliff railway.
Does that go like really high up?
Yeah, but you're in like a little train.
Does it have tracks?
Yeah. So here at the top of the Constitution Hill we took the cliff rail service, and at the top here you've got a cafe, a bowling and camera obscura and some other stuff that you can do, but we obviously are going to keep walking in a minute. And from this hill you also have a panoramic view on the whole Aberystwyth. Don't you think this is like a perfect day for doing this walk today?
Yeah. Because it's not too
Cold,
not too
hot, view is incredible, the weather is just perfect, and it seems like there is nobody on the path, so that's a big plus as well.
And we have like 1,000,000 miles to get to the actual beach.
Actually 5 miles, that's all. 5 miles is not even that much. From Aberystwyth to Borth.
That's the Borth?
Yeah, that's where our car is. Look, basically shows you here that this is Wales Coast Path. We're going down from the Constitution Hill, and we're gonna go down to the place over there. Let me show you. Where's a little caravan park, and now it's called Clarach. I think it's pronounced Clarach. Halfway between Aber and Clarach here, there are quite a few of those dead trees. Look pretty haunted, especially at night, I think. Have a look. I wonder what happened to those trees. They all pretty dead, and also they all missing a top. It's quite interesting. It actually looks like the whole forest on this side, it's been broken up, probably by wind. So we got here to the Clarach beach, and we're gonna have a little break and enjoy the sunshine on this very pretty, busy beach. Mine is gonna be small.
Peace.
Well done!
You don't have to come on.
So that's funny because there is a little river on the beach going to the sea. Look over there. This looks like a lava. Through the kissing gate. That's not a proper kiss.
Open it with me on it. Dad, she opened it with me on it.
We are now walking from Clara Beach or the caravan parks over there down to Borth. On the way there will be another beach, little secret beach, and a lonely house as well. It's called Wallog, I believe. Wallog. And so from here to Borth is another 3 miles, 3 3/4. It's a nice wide path, easy to walk even for the kids. So far so beautiful. It's a gorgeous day to do that as well. So we pretty much have this path to ourselves. There's nobody in front of us and nobody behind us. And we were just talking that if you close your eyes, the sound of the sea and the sound of the crickets and grasshoppers in the grass is just so peaceful. So yeah, we chose a very good day to do this walk, didn't we? Beach place, and to the lonely house right here. I'm not sure if somebody lives in this house. I should guess so. It seems like so lonely and far away from everybody, but in reality it's only about 3 miles away from Aberystwyth. Oh, there's a car, so somebody lives in this house, and imagine they're like alone apart from the walkers, yeah, and they have the whole beach to themselves. Yeah, you can't get through. Oh wow, where are you going? That's so cool! I'm so proud of you.
I can do that, Mama.
I know you can.
Dad, you're going to
So here on this beach, we've got a beach for ourselves, and the boys playing on those rocks. They don't really want to move. We're gonna have to though. Well, no, yeah, I'll give you another 10-15 minutes to play.
We haven't even used enemies alert! Enemies alert! Cannonballs loaded!
They're having fun, and we have this whole beach for ourselves. Well, we're gonna have to climb up.
Well, we have to actually go there?
Well, yeah, we have to climb up on the path again somehow.
Yeah, we are. It is in that
You were right.
the gate.
Oh, good.
Let's see from this side.
We just climbed the sort of last very steep hill, and now we're on the last stretch of the path. Should be fairly easy now and fairly flat as well. We can actually see Borth now, so we're not far off. Good job, guys. Well done. Fish. Ew. We're nearly there, guys. So we in Borth by the War Memorial. So we made it to the top of the last hill, and we're gonna have a proper break here with some food and then go down the hill to the car. Basti, we made it! So proud of you. How are you? Let me see.
Butterfly.
Yeah. Aiden, come on! We made it. We're gonna celebrate.
And I'm tired.
You're tired. We're all tired.
Very tired.
But happy?
Yep.
What an achievement!
I'm glad that now we just gotta go down. That's gonna be so easy.
And no more going up the hills, yeah?
It's so hard.
But hey, you did it, and you?
I did it. I did it before you all though. I got a people. Hey, you.
Yeah, you were the first place.
Dude.
So we go to Ynyslas. We be watching the sunset, and it looks like it's gonna be a very beautiful sunset today. And we did a little shopping, didn't we?
Yeah.
We bought this posh sun hats.
And a cowboy.
For yours.
And a cowboy sun hat.
And then some buckets and spades as well.
And now I look really cool.
We all look really cool now, don't we?
Check this out.
Check this out, yeah. Woohoo!
I remember.
Okay, so the sun has officially set in, and that is the end of our journey for today. So we wish you a good night, happy hiking, and we'll see you again very soon. Bye!
Bye!